Hello, professors. My name is Chen Yongchen. Slide one. This one. This video presents a consultancy proposal for MIT at the strategic level. The project is called Inclusive Global MIT Multicultural Strategy Alignment. The goal is to make inclusion clear, consistent, and practical across the MIT group. The work is positioned for competitive $1 million contract. So it focuses on strategic value, measurable outcomes, and strong governance. MIT works across many cultures on campus and in global partnerships. So outcomes depend on how well systems connect. The proposal is built for a committee with varied roles and English levels. So the language stays simple. Here, I will explain the core issues. The problem is not diversity itself, but uneven experience. When rules support and the messages differ by school or location, people can feel unsure, included, or unable to across help. Australia is also placing strong focus on fairness and social cohesion in a multicultural society. So university needs visible action and results. Higher education is shifting and enrollment patterns and the student needs require better coordination. MIT's policy sets the standard. The challenges is consistent delivery at scale. Here, here says the aim and the key questions. The aim is to produce a strategy roadmap that treats multiculturalism as a long-term capability, not a one-off program. Three questions guide the work. First, where are the biggest system barriers? Policy, processes, leadership practice, or partner settings? Second, which groups face the strongest barriers in daily life, such as communication gaps or low belonging? Third, which actions offer the best balance of impact, cost, and speed? The output is a ranked set of initiatives with owners, timelines, and measures. So decisions are easier and the progress can be tracked over time. I will clarify scope and the stakeholders. The scope covers staff, student, and global partnerships because strategic issues often sit between our units. The focus is on system design, governance standards, and capability, plus the communication quality that shapes trust and access. Stakeholders include domestic and international students, academic and professional staff, senior leaders, and partner contact. The proposal is designed for the committee's needs, plain words, clear choice, and option that can work across campus. Individual case handling is not the main focus. The work targets a scalable setting that prevents recurring problems. Here outline the method. The method combines evidence review with direct input from people who use the system. A document review will map what MIT already has. Policies, procedures, partners' expectations, and exist reports. A short data scan will link the plan to sector contacts and student trends. Then, experience research will gather views with accessible wording and multiple channels. Participation will be voluntary and finding will be reported in a way that protects privacy. Targeted interviews will test early findings with leaders and frontline staff. This builds a credible base for decisions. Here presents the work streams. The proposal used for work streams that match strategic levels. Work streams one is governance and accountability. Clear roles, action plans, and reporting that show progress. Work streams two is inclusive communication and belonging with simple pathways for information and support. Work streams three is partnership and campus consistency using minimum standards across locations. Work stream four is measurement with a small set of KPIs and feedback loops. Prioritization will consider equity impacts, feasibility, and risk reduction. Next, I will explain deliverables and success. The deliverables are practical. Deliverable one is a diagnostic report that explains root causes, gaps, and priority risk. Deliverable two is a strategic roadmap with milestones, owners, cost ranges, and governance model that can continue after the contract ends. Deliverable three is an implementation toolkit. Checklist, communication templates, and partner standards. A short handover plan will support internal owners to run the roadmap without external support. Successes will be tracked through simple signals, including belonging and viewer reported communication barriers. Risks will be controlled through privacy by design, board outreach, and clear partner expectations. Slide 8 close with the evidence base. The final slide lists the key sources that support this proposal. MIT's inclusion, diversity, and equity policy, the multicultural framework review report, the Department of Education student statistic page, and the MIT research on international student well-being. That's all. Thank you, every person. Thank you, every professional. Thank you.